So Penske is a leader in the transportation industry, and that's where at Penske Qlik solutions fit in. To give you some examples, as Anthony talked about, Fleet Insight is our customer-facing portal using which we are making real-time data available on fleet performance, roadside assistance, maintenance status, billing. Proactive Diagnostics is one other solution. I think it was on your slide. So Proactive Diagnostics is a major AI solution. It is processing roughly 230 million messages a day, IoT messages, to predict truck failures and avoiding costly downtimes for our customers. So last year alone, that solution prevented 90,000 trucks from failing on the side of the road. And I think that's a huge accomplishment. Penske has a community of more than 300 analysts. Right. We call them Penske Analytics Network. And as Anthony mentioned, 170 of them were trained on Qlik. Collectively, they have built 500 Qlik applications, which are seeing more than 3 million logins a year. Now, these are the 170 Qlik developers I didn't have to hire. And I love that. With generative AI, we are fundamentally transforming the way not only how humans will interact with the machines, but it is also changing how information gets generated. And that's huge.
Really
Absolutely.
appreciate it.
Thank you.